Good morning. We're here today. We're going to unbox our brand new chamber manifold for the Centura semiconductor tool. And I'm excited because the one current manifold that I have is obsolete, giving me problems, and parts are hard to find. So Valin's come up with a kit that will drop in and replace the existing SMC manifold. And we're going to see what's in the box this morning. Valin always packages these so well, and there's no damage when things arrive. Okay, so we have an instruction kit with our parts. Comes with a cable and some installation hardware, as well as some plugs if needed. So there's our cable. Here are our port plugs if needed. Some mounting hardware. Incidentally, there's two different styles for this manifold mounting. One uses 632 hardware and the other uses 832 hardware. Both are supplied in the kit, so whatever you have in your Centura tool, this would accommodate that. So we have two different sizes of plugs for our 1/4 inch OD tubing and our 1/8 inch OD tubing, and then more hardware. Also a tool in case we need to remove the valves or reconfigure them. And then we have the meat of the kit, which is the manifold on its mounting bracket with the interface PCB. So I will open it. Okay, and like I said, Valin always packages these so well. They come very well protected and without damage. Okay, here it comes. Looks beautiful. Okay. And here is our replacement chamber manifold for the Centura tool. Comes with the 14 stations. Comes with a lockout tagout for the slit valve door, your inlet air pressures, and your exhaust vents. Then it also includes this interface PCB that is configured to work with multiple Centura types of tools with different interlock systems. Additionally, there's a new cable provided, and this cable simply plugs onto the PCB, and then you could take your straight screwdriver and come down and secure it to the PCB. So the configuration of this chamber manifold kit, we have the first 10 valve stations. They are dual 3-way valves, and then we have 3 4-way valves with double coil, and then the final 14th station is a single coil 4-way valve. They're fitted to work with 1/8 inch tubing, except for the last two. The second to last here for the SVD valve door is 1/4 inch OD tubing, and the last one is 1/4 inch OD tubing as well. Additionally, the mounting plate is set up for two kinds of mounting on the Centura tools. If you have the 632 mounting, you would use 4 screws, 1 in each of these slotted positions. If you're using the 832 mounting arrangement, you would use the 2 adjacent larger slots for your 832 screws. And that is our Valin Centura chamber manifold replacement kit.